Hi my loves! In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the most popular white strips at home and doing some pros and cons, comparisons, and just seeing which one I like and which ones hopefully you guys can get an opinion on so we can all have the brightest, whitest teeth of 2022. So let's jump right in. So it took me a while to film this video, but I'm going to be going through the different days, different tips, how I've been whitening my teeth at home, and ultimately choosing which white strips I like the best. So I decided to test out two. One, which was definitely the most popular, which is the Crest 3D white strips. These are $42.99 for 14 strips. You can get them on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. Tons of reviews, and I decided to get the sensitive version. So the next thing I got was what I saw as their #1 competitor. I also saw a few reviews here on YouTube, and it's the HiSmile PAP Plus strips, and these are supposed to be the most sensitive white strips on the market. So I thought this would be the perfect comparison. They're about the same price for $39 for 14 strips. So let's see which one is truly better. Once the packages arrived, I wanted to do a full 14-day test on both of them to see which one gave me the whitest teeth and how the experience of each was for me. I did about 5 treatments or 5 strips of both, so I'm going to go over everything, my pros, my cons, what I liked, what I didn't like, and wait till the end so you guys can actually see the results. And I'll share which ones left my teeth the least sensitive, which is key. Before I show you exactly how I applied, some tips that I found helpful, and seeing my results, I wanted to show you the comparison. You leave both of them on for 30 minutes. They both come with the peel and apply, but I don't know, the packaging for HiSmile is so much cuter, and I also like that they don't use such large packaging, which just made it easier for me to store. And also I did bring this traveling once, so it made it much easier. So for packaging, HiSmile wins. Also, this is what it looks like when you open it. As you guys can see, there are 14 amazing strips in there. They have the ingredients, how to use them, what it contains on the back. I love the hot pink. And then on the front, just says HiSmile strips. And I really like this packaging. I'll show you the Crest 3D white package strips next. So this is the Crest 3D white strips packaging, still super cute, but I have to be honest, it's a much thinner packaging, and I just feel like it's so much flimsier, which makes it a little harder to grab and go. Overall, you can grab and go with both, but if you look at this side-by-side comparison, you can just see how much more durable the HiSmile ones are. And I do just want to add, when I used the Crest 3D white strips and put them in my bag, I don't know if you guys have used them or purchased them before, they just are more slimy inside. So if they're rubbing around a lot of things, it's really easy for it to just get squished and spread, which was kind of annoying when being on the go. But now I want to get into the actual strips and what's inside. Starting off with the HiSmile, these things are secure and glued onto the plastic, which is really good. I prefer it that way. And I love the bottom, how it has those little crevices so it can really fit your teeth and not be uncomfortable sliding around on the bottom teeth. Compared to the Crest 3D white on the bottom, you guys can see it's a thicker bottom and there are no crevices, so I'm sure if you guys have used them, you know when you put it on, it just feels uncomfortable. And you can taste the Crest 3D white gel really strong, but with the HiSmile, I don't know what it is about the formula, but it actually fits and sticks on your teeth without leaving any gooey, uncomfortable residue around your mouth. So so far, HiSmile is definitely winning. I'm going to show you guys how I apply it so you guys can actually see what it looks like. I'm going to be applying these because so many people apply Crest 3D white ones, and I'm sure some of you have tried it before because I used to use them all the time before this, and I'll show you guys how it applies and how it looks. I also want to show you some really good tips and the exact teeth whitening routine and things that I just learned on my own throughout this process, how to get the most benefits from any type of teeth whitening strips or at home. Don't judge, but I had to smell and see if these were really non-toxic because I swear you guys, I can smell toxicity in products. I'm such a freak. But these really had no scent at all, literally none. Zip, zero. My nose didn't burn, anything. And this was my first time applying them. This was my day 1, and I went to apply them and I was shocked because they are so dry and so mess free and so, I don't know, like dry. I don't know how else to explain it. They just really stick to your teeth, and they didn't make me salivate, and they didn't, I don't know, I'm going to be honest, you guys, with the Crest 3D White, when I push like this, the gel comes out and it kind of burns my gums and it feels really wet. And these just felt really, really dry and really, really sticky. So definitely 10 out of 10. And then I really liked that with the bottom one, it was a nice thin strip, so it didn't whiten my gums like sometimes the other ones do. And it had those little crevices, which made it so easy to just fold over and stick on without any mess. Overall, super comfortable. I didn't notice my mouth salivating, and I didn't notice it hurting or burning my gums or anything like that, which I have experienced from other white strips in the past. And I do want to add, I always leave it on for the full 30 minutes. Sometimes I do go a little bit over, but I noticed that it actually whitens as you leave it on. Same thing with the Crest 3D white strips. In like 15 minutes time, 20 minutes time, I do notice it lifting any stains. That's just how my teeth work with both strips, but this one did not burn. And also, something that I noticed, and I actually wrote it down in my notes as such a huge difference, was not only did this not burn, but I did not feel any pain, not one time, not one throb throughout the process. And with the Crest 3D White, I did feel a few throbbing, or kind of like you feel your teeth getting weaker and you're like, okay, now I gotta take these strips off. Because it does hurt, and I did not feel that once with these. So before I jump into exactly how I use them and my difference and my results, I just got to be honest with you guys. If you have sensitive teeth, go with HiSmile. 10 out of 10 is the way to go. It's not even comparable. You guys can get both and try it at home. So now for the best stuff, the results, how I use them, and just so you guys can see what it looks like after. I only used 5 strips total, and you guys will see my before and after. I did it during the 14 days every 3 to 4 days. I don't know if that's too much or too little, but that's what I did because I wanted fast results. And since they weren't irritating me at all, I thought it was perfectly fine for my teeth. So I literally just alcohol, I bring a little alcohol pad and alcohol down my hands, get rid of any germs. And then whenever I know I have like a 20-minute drive, a 30-minute drive, or any errands that I'm going to run, I will apply it onto my teeth. So since I wear a mask every time I run errands anyways, it's so easy to just keep them under the mask. No one notices and it's perfect. So definitely recommend taking these while you're out on the go running errands, and it's amazing. And I'm actually going to show you guys, this is the 4th round of me doing it, and look, this is in natural sunlight. Look at how much whiter my teeth are already from the first clip. It is crazy how well they're working. Well, overall, you guys, there's no question, no comparison. The HiSmile definitely won this. Not just is it easier and mess-free and nicer packaging, but most importantly, it did not irritate my teeth while making my teeth so much whiter with just 5 applications. There is still another 9 in the box, so definitely check them out. I'll leave it linked down below, and let me know in the comments what your experiences are with at-home teeth whitening strips, and I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.